This year, Vic Roads is rolling out its biggest ever works program across eastern Victoria. We are prioritising major upgrades to ensure roads are fit for purpose to support the needs of our rapidly growing communities and agricultural, timber and mining industries. Safety is our top priority, and this new truck stop will help long-haul drivers recharge. One of our most significant examples of planning for the future in Gippsland is upgrading the corridors to Phillip Island, one of Australia's key tourism destinations. On the Princes Highway, Gippsland's transport spine, we are undertaking duplication, bridge strengthening, widening, shoulder sealing and other extensive safety improvements. Our challenge is to transform many of our ageing roads and make sure these have the capacity for heavier vehicles and growing population, now and into the future. We are also making popular cycling and motorcycle routes safer and more rider-friendly. We are pushing ahead with maximising the full potential of Gippsland's road network and thank everyone for their patience while this important work is underway.